Oh. Next, we have Varaha Avataram. Varaha means wild boar. Lord Vishnu took the form of wild boar to retrieve the earth, to protect the people from demons and evil spirits. Next, so Malsim, Kurmam, Varaha. Here comes Narasimha Avatar. Narasimha is considered as the most powerful god with human body and lion face. For every avatars, if you look at it, each avatar has its own purpose. When you see Narasimha Avatar, we could say that Narasimha was originated to kill the king Hiranyakashipu, to protect Prahlada. Now, who was Prahlada? The son of Hiranyakashipu, who was an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu, who says only the name of Lord Vishnu, Rama. Then, Vamana Avataram. Lord Vishnu took the form of a dwarf-like figure called Vamana. Through this Dashavatara Shabda, we could see how Mahabali is a very important and very famous king. Of course, all the Keralites will be familiar of Mahabali because we all celebrate Onam. Mahabali gives 3 fields of land to Vamana. And what Vamana does? Okay, 3 fields, fine. For the first feet, Vamana take the entire sky. With the second feet, Vamana takes the entire earth. Now he is in the doubt. Now, what about my third feet? Yes, Mahabali, he shows his head and asks Vamana to stand on his head. Vamana then pushes his head, pushes Mahabali to Patalam. And Mahabali is called as the king of Patalam. Next, we have Parashurama. Parashurama is considered as the warrior who was against the Kala Kshatriya clan. He killed a lot of Kshatriyas and became most powerful warrior. Then Sri Rama. Sri Rama is considered as a Uttama Purusha. Sri Rama, the son of Dasharatha, was married to a beautiful woman, Sita, daughter of Janaka. Here in the Dashavatara Shabdam, you can see how Rama kills Ravana and takes Sita along with him. Then, Balarama. Balarama is considered as a brother of Lord Sri Krishna. The weapon of Balarama, the ayudham of Balarama is plow. He is considered as one of the first, you could say, agriculturist who started farming. And the next avataram is Baudha Avataram. Baudha is also considered as incarnation of Lord Vishnu. And Baudha is a very handsome. That's very handsome. And the wives of kings were attracted to him, to his handsome body, to his handsome face. The last avataram is Kalki. Kalki is considered as you could say Kalki is considered as the god of this era. We can expect the birth of Kalki any time. because of a lot of evils taking place in our earth, in our world. That's the end of the Dashavatara Shabda. 10 avatars and 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. This Dashavatara Shabdam is set to Mishra Japa Talam and Mohana Ragam. Please watch Dashavatara Shabdam. Thank you.